Hello, my friends. I'm Professor Hans von Puppet. You know, my students always ask me, Professor, why should I use Google's Webmaster Tools? My answer is, if you want to be found on the web, then you must use Google's tools. These free tools provide the data and diagnostics required for a healthy, SEO-friendly site. By measuring that data, you will uncover new opportunities to quickly improve your sales and consistently grow your profits. My students learn how to measure their own website success in a free mini-course provided by www.truthaboutroi.com. Anyone is welcome to join and learn how to dramatically skyrocket their online profits. So go sign up and start right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.